Alright, in this video I will be discussing the school sprint round numbers 6 through 10. Number 6 says, what integer is closest to negative 7 times pi? Well, I'm just going to start by saying pi is estimated at 3.14, and we will multiply that by 7. If I have a negative times a positive, my answer has to be negative, so I'll just write that down there. 7 times 4 is 28, carry my 2. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. 7 times 3 is 21. If there's 2 digits to the right in the problem of the decimal, there has to be 2 to the right in the answer. Integers have to be positive or negative whole numbers. So the nearest whole number would be negative 22. Okay? On Monday at 8 p.m., so number 7, on Monday at 8 p.m., the temperature measured negative 17 degrees. Between 8 p.m. on Monday and 6 a.m. on Tuesday, the temperature increased 23 degrees. So same sign, add and keep. Nope, different signs, subtract. So 23 minus 7 is 6. Keep the sign of the bigger digit, so it is positive 6. On Tuesday, between 6 a.m. and 3 p.m., the temperature decreased 5 degrees, so minus 5. What is the temperature? 6 minus 5 would just be 1 degree. Number 8. This table shows all 5 lunch options on Friday at a middle school and the number of students that ordered each. Based on this, what percent of lunch orders on Friday were for spaghetti? Well, I see spaghetti's 44, but I got to get a total. So I want to add these up, 2, 4, 12, 16, 20, carry a 2. 2, 5, 6, plus 8 would be 14, 18, 20, carry a 2. 2, 3, 4, 400. So we have 44 out of 400. So this is 44 divided by 400. So I'm going to have to put 44 on the inside and divide it by 400. So I need to add a decimal and some zeros, bring my decimal straight up. 400 goes into 440 one time. 440 minus 400 is 40. Bring down a 0. 400 goes into 400 one time. So exactly 400. We're left with 0.11. To make that a percent, you have to move the decimal 2 places to the right. It's just like multiplying by 100. So number 8 is 11%. All right, let me move the sheet down so you can do 9 and 10. Now, number 9 wants to know, what is the 40th positive odd integer? There's probably a quicker way to do this. See when we research that. But what I did was I just 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I made counted by odd numbers. I got to 40 numbers. Like I said, there might be a trick to this. I'm just going to count. So odd, we go 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41. Oh, I'm seeing a budget. This is 61. Okay, so 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. What am I doing? I'm sorry, I lost track. Okay, so 41, then 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59. Yep, 61, 63. Look at that. So I bet you it's going to be 79. 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79. So 79 is our answer. Now number 10, you have to understand that this fraction bar means division. But I want to take care of what's happening on the top and the bottom of a fraction first. So So right down here we have 1 minus 2/3. Well, how many thirds does it take to make a whole? 3/3. So 3/3 minus 2/3 is 1/3. So this is the same thing as 1/3. So we're going to take care of this side. 2 divided by 1/3. How do we make 2 a fraction? 2 over 1. Divided by 1/3. So the way I teach my students is keep, change, flip. So keep, change to multiplication, flip it to 3 over 1. 2 times 3 is 6 over 1, or just 6. So we end up with 1 plus 6, should get 7. All right, see you for the next one.